Japan is thriving with all of its robotics triumphs, including multifunctional and humanoid robots. The Japanese domestic market has already begun to use these cutting-edge robots in a variety of industries to raise production and improve consumer engagement. Japan's robotics have successfully awed the rest of the globe. Let's take a look at some of the greatest robots in Japan that have wowed the global tech industry in recent years. Hello everyone, and welcome to the AI Universe, a channel where you can get all the latest updates on AI technology. In today's video, we will talk about some amazing robots created by Japan. Without further delay, let's start our video. The reasons Japan became the most sophisticated robot country are due not just to excellent technology, but also to the impact of Japanese robot culture. Since the 1950s, Japan has produced a plethora of robot-themed comics, books, and animation. In 1951, Astro Boy was the first well-known anime/comic. Since then, several robot-themed shows have arisen in Japan, including Mazinger Z, Gundam, Robotech, Evangelion, and Transformers. Today, we have created a list of some robots created by Japan. First on our list is the Komodo TV presenter. This girl-woman hybrid, named after the Japanese word for kid, Komodo, was built in Japan and can perform a variety of simple activities like reading the news and teaching scientific issues. She has the ability to talk in a variety of tones and languages, including a male voice, and motors in her body cause her face to move convincingly when she speaks. She currently works at Tokyo's National Museum of Emerging Science and Innovation, where you may ask her for directions or for the weather. Now we are going to talk about Mirai Madoka, a robot receptionist. Mirai Madoka, a friendly-looking robot created by Japanese robot maker A-Lab, can speak 3 languages: English, Chinese, and Japanese. She can also move her eyes and mouth. Although nothing is known about her talents, she is so lifelike that we couldn't resist but include her. Next on our list is Asimo. Asimo is a humanoid robot created by Honda in Japan in 2000. Honda began developing humanoid robots in 1986 and debuted its first masterpiece in 1993. Later, on October 31st, 2000, the business unveiled Asimo, its first humanoid. The abbreviation Asimo stands for Advanced Step in Innovative Mobility. The name Aldo was selected in honor of Isaac Asimov. The robot is currently on exhibit at the Mirai Museum in Tokyo, Japan. The robot is 130 centimeters tall, 54 kilograms in weight. It has a 51.8-volt lithium battery with a 1-hour backup. A stacked die, a CPU, a signal converter, and a memory cell are also included. Asimo is a robot that can detect moving objects, postures, gestures, noises, faces, and surroundings. It can also tell the difference between faces and sounds. It is intended to aid and assist the people. It has the ability to run, dance, hop, and play soccer. Asimo is a robotic ambassador who has made multiple public engagements to enthuse humans about robotics. Honda worked extensively on the robot after 2000, but in 2018, the firm announced that it will discontinue further research on the technology in order to maximize the robot's lifespan. Now let's talk about Kirobo, also known as Robi, the first astronaut robot. Kirobo is the first humanoid robot astronaut created by Dentsu, the University of Tokyo, Robo Garage, Toyota, and JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, to accompany Koichi Wakata, the first Japanese commander of the International Space Station. Kirobo arrived at the ISS on August 10, 2013, aboard JAXA's H-2 transfer vehicle, Kunotori 4. An unmanned resupply spacecraft launched from Japan's Tanegashima Space Center on August 4, 2013. Voice and speech recognition, natural language processing, speech synthesis, and telecommunications are among the capabilities of the robot, as are facial recognition and video recording. Kirobo is particularly created for zero-gravity situations and will aid Commander Wakata in a variety of studies. Next, we will talk about HRP-4C Meme. The HRP-4C, often known as Meme, is a feminine-looking humanoid robot developed by Japan's National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology, AIST. Meme stands 158 centimeters tall and weighs 43 kilograms with a power pack. She features a realistic head and face, as well as the unique physique of a typical young Japanese female, based on the Japanese Body Dimensions database from 1997 to 1998. She can move like a person, thanks to 30 body motors and an additional 8 for face gestures. Meme can also recognize environmental sounds and respond to voice using speech recognition software. Meme can also sing, thanks to the Vocaloid vocal synthesizer. Actroid is our next robot. Actroid is a humanoid robot with a high visual human resemblance created by Osaka University and manufactured by Komodo Company Limited. It was initially shown at the International Robot Exhibition in Tokyo, Japan, in 2003. Since then, several other variants of the product have been manufactured. In most cases, the robot's look is fashioned like a typical young Japanese lady. The Actroid lady is a pioneer example of a genuine machine that is akin to imagined machines known as androids or gynoids, which had previously only been used for fictitious robots. It can imitate human activities like blinking, speaking, and breathing. The Repli models are interactive models that can detect and interpret speech and reply using artificial intelligence. Next robot on our list is Nadine. Nadine, the only nice and sociable robot, a gynoid robot, is what it is. Nadine's bodily characteristics are based on Professor Nadia M. Thalman. Kokoro Japan founded it in 2013. It is supposed to be the successor of Hanson Robotics' robot Ava, which was produced in 2008. The Nadine software platform was created by the Institute for Media Innovation at Nanyang University in Singapore. Nadine has significant human-like characteristics, such as natural-looking skin and hair. It can answer many questions in different languages, and can recall persons based on past conversations. The robot is quite sociable, and can respond to the following inquiries. Its demeanor might shift depending on the discourse. With 27 degrees of flexibility, the robot can freely move its upper body and display a variety of facial expressions. It may recall specific information and events linked to each individual. Nadine was created utilizing cutting-edge robotics. To collect inputs, it is outfitted with 3D depth cameras, a microphone, and a webcam. The robot is intended to serve as a receptionist or personal coach. It may assist people with special needs by reading books for them, sending emails, and participating in Skype conversations. Now let's talk about Erika. Erika, another Japanese robot. Erika has been renamed Irato Intelligent Conversational Android. Hiroshi Ishiguro, head of Osaka University's Intelligent Robotics Laboratory, invented it. This woman robot stands 166 centimeters tall. It is regarded as the world's most beautiful robot. Erika was created to be the world's most sophisticated and attractive humanoid. The robot, which was activated in 2015, has remarkable speed skills when compared to other robots throughout the world. Erika, unlike Sophia and Asimo, is unable to walk. It can, however, interact nicely with others. It may vary its facial expressions depending on the discourse. When listening to others, it blinks its eyes and nods its head, just like humans. The robot's eyes are equipped with 15 infrared sensors. These sensors aid in the detection of any movement. It also has speech generation algorithms and facial recognition technologies built in. It has 44 degrees of mobility in its face, neck, and waist. The robot is currently employed as a newscaster. Junko Chihira is a Japanese gynoid robot created by Toshiba. It was created with the help of Hiroshi Ishiguro's technology. Junko, the robot, was introduced in October 2015. It is sometimes referred to as the trilingual android because of its capacity to communicate in 3 languages: Japanese, Chinese, and English. Aside from that, the robot can converse through sign language. It is an improved version of her younger sibling, Aiko Chihira. Junko, who has the visage of a 26-year-old woman, has an improved form of machine control. It offers strong interactive abilities, realistic emotions, and pre-written spoken instructions. The robot is outfitted with a variety of technologies, including speech synthesis and natural language processing. It can respond to visitors and residents' random and multiple choice queries. Junko Chihira is a tour guide at the local tourist attraction, Aqua City Odaiba in Japan, while its other 2 siblings work as receptionists and health nurses. Kanae Chihira has also been updated for the robot. Kanae Chihira, unlike Junko, can communicate in any language. The Chihira family's smoother motions and cognitive skills make them ideal for the tourist and travel industries. What do you think about these robots? And what do you think the future holds for robots? Also, do you think robots are going to become an important part of our life? Do let us know about your thoughts in the comment section below. This brings us to the end of our video. We hope that you liked this video, and if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload our next video. Until next time, peace.